If your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro right bud suddenly stopped working, won't connect, or has no sound, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the exact fixes, starting with the quickest one and ending with the fix that usually works when nothing else does. Step 1. Check the right bud charging place. Only the right Galaxy Buds 2 Pro earbud into the charging case and look at the light inside the case. If the light turns red, the earbud is charging. If there is no light or it stays green, the right bud may not be making contact with the charging pins. Clean the metal contacts on both the earbud and inside the case with a dry cloth or cotton swab, then try again. Step 2. Charge the bud for 10 minutes. If the right bud battery is completely dead, it may not respond right away. Put both earbuds in the case, plug the case into a charger, and leave them for at least 10 minutes. Samsung recommends using the original cable or a Samsung-approved charger because cheap chargers can sometimes cause charging problems. Step 3. Restart the earbuds. Put both earbuds into the charging case and close the lid. Wait at least 7 to 10 seconds, then remove the earbuds from the case. This restarts the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro and often fixes cases where the right earbud is connected but not responding. Step 4. Reconnect Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth off on your phone for about 20 seconds, then turn it back on and reconnect your Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. If the right bud still does not appear, remove the earbuds from your phone's Bluetooth list completely and pair them again from the beginning. Step 5. Reset the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Open the Galaxy Wearable app, go to Earbud Settings, then tap Reset. After the reset is complete, reconnect the earbuds to your phone. This clears software glitches that can make one earbud stop working or disappear from the app. Step 6. Resync both earbuds. Place both earbuds in the charging case and leave the lid open. Then, touch and hold both earbuds' touchpads for at least 7 seconds while they are still in the case. The light inside the case should flash green. This forces the left and right earbuds to sync with each other again. Step 7. Update the earbud software. Open the Galaxy Wearable app and check for a software update. Go to Earbud Software Update and install any available update. Outdated firmware can sometimes cause one earbud to disconnect or stop responding. Step 8. Look for physical damage. If the right bud still does not work, inspect it for cracks, water damage, or signs it was dropped. If the right earbud never lights up, never appears in the Galaxy Wearable app, and does not respond after all these fixes, the battery or internal charging circuit is likely damaged. At that point, the earbud may need repair or replacement through Samsung.